Welcome. Step into the world of business with open arms and a keen mind. This is the ultimate guide, a step-by-step journey into the heart of entrepreneurship. By the end of this video, the mysteries of running a successful business will be unraveled. The first step on this journey is to identify your passion. What is it that you absolutely love doing? What is it that you could do every single day without getting tired? This is crucial because your passion is your driving force. It is what will keep you motivated and determined during the tough times. Next, research is key. You need to understand the market, the competition, the customers, their needs and preferences. This will help you make informed decisions and strategize effectively. Use online resources, conduct surveys, and don't shy away from asking questions. Remember, knowledge is power. Once you have a clear understanding of the market, it's time to create a business plan. This is your roadmap to success. It should include your business goals, target audience, marketing and sales strategies, and financial projections. It's like a blueprint of your business that guides you and keeps you focused. Now let's delve into the legal aspects. Register your business, get the required licenses and permits, and understand the laws and regulations that apply to your business. This step is critical to avoid any legal issues down the line. Next up, finances. Start by determining the initial investment needed. Then, explore various funding options like loans, investors, or crowdfunding. Keep a close eye on your expenses and income. Make sure to set aside a budget for unexpected costs. Now that the groundwork is laid, it's time to assemble your team. Hire people who share your vision and complement your skills. Remember, a good team can make or break a business. Next, it's time to build your brand. Create a unique logo, a catchy tagline, and a strong online presence. Your brand is the face of your business. Make it memorable. Once your brand is established, it's time to market your products or services. Use social media, email marketing, SEO, and other digital marketing strategies. The goal is to reach as many potential customers as possible. Finally, always be ready to adapt. The business world is dynamic. Be open to feedback, learn from your mistakes, and always look for ways to improve. In summary, starting a business is a journey. It starts with identifying your passion, researching the market, creating a business plan, understanding legal requirements, managing finances, building a team, creating a brand, marketing your products or services, and being adaptable. Remember, the road to entrepreneurship is not a straight line. It's a winding path with ups and downs, but with passion, knowledge, and resilience, you can navigate this path and reach the pinnacle of success. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Embrace the process, enjoy the ride, and here's to your success in the business world.